Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Infamous Celebrities Net Worth and Lifestyle. So our today's topic is about Rupert Murdoch's net worth 2024. So now you should know first of all who is Rupert Murdoch. So Keith Rupert Murdoch is an Australian-born American business magnate, investor and media proprietor. And now we will discuss about Rupert Murdoch's career. So Keith Rupert Murdoch was born on 11th March 1931 in Melbourne, Victoria. Rupert Murdoch is 93 years old. His parents were also born in Melbourne. His father was a war correspondent and later a regional newspaper magnate, owning two newspapers in Adelaide, South Australia, and a radio station in a remote mining town, and chairman of the Herald and Weekly Times publishing company after his father Keith Murdoch died in 1952. Murdoch took over the running of the News, a small Adelaide newspaper owned by his father. In the 1950s and 1960s, Murdoch acquired a number of newspapers in Australia and New Zealand before expanding into the United Kingdom in 1969. Taking over the News of the World, followed closely by The Sun in 1974. Murdoch moved to New York City to expand into the US market. However, he retained interest in Australia and the UK. In 1981, Murdoch bought The Times, his first British broadsheet, and in 1985 became a naturalized US citizen, giving up his Australian citizenship to satisfy the legal requirements for US television network ownership. Rupert Murdoch's personal life. So in 2003, Murdoch bought Rose Herty, an 11-bedroom home on a 5 acres waterfront estate in Center Island, New York. In May 2013, he purchased the Mortgage Estate, an estate, vineyard and winery in Bel Air, Los Angeles, California. In 2019, Murdoch and his new wife Jerry Hall purchased Holmwood, an 18th century house and estate in English village of Binfield Heath, some 4 miles 6.4 kilometers northeast of Reading. In 1956, Murdoch married Patricia Booker, a former shop assistant and flight attendant from Melbourne. The couple had their only child, Prudence, in 1958 and they divorced in 1967. In 1967, Murdoch married Anna Torf, a Scottish-born cadet journalist working for his Sydney newspaper, The Daily Mirror. Torf and Murdoch had 3 children, Elizabeth Murdoch, Lachlan Murdoch, and James Murdoch. They divorced in 1999. In 1999, Murdoch married Chinese-born Wendy Dang. She was 30, a recent Yale School of Management graduate, and a newly appointed vice president of his Star TV. Murdoch had 2 daughters with hers, Grace and Chloe. Murdoch has 6 children in all and is grandfather of 13 grandchildren. They divorced in 2013. On 11 January 2016, Murdoch announced his engagement to former model Jerry Hall in a notice in the Times newspaper. On 4th March 2016, Murdoch married Jerry Hall. They divorced in 2022. Murdoch became engaged again in March 2024 to retired molecular biologist Elena Zukova. Their wedding was held in June 2024 at Murdoch's estate in California. And now finally we will discuss about Rupert Murdoch's net worth 2024. So according to the online sources, Rupert Murdoch's net worth is estimated to be $19.5 billion. So my dear friends, it's all about today's video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video.